feet were close together. He's learned to like close his feet.
Mm-hmm.
Is that like to block the ball? Uh-oh. Is that to catch the ball? You know, Mom, watch this. Wait, Daddy, you should,
Nice.
he got in the way. Here. Here you go. Okay, you're back here. Let's try it over again. Try it over again. Kick it to pop pop. Do you get to see it? Oh. What are you doing? Yeah. That's what I'm saying.